Good morning! Welcome back to Adri's Homestead Life. In this video I would like to show you how I harvest the ingredients what we're going to cook with. Today we are making tuna and potato salad and we are gathering the ingredients from the garden. So we are going to dig up some potatoes, dill. We are also using some canned produce like tuna and sweet corn. Also, I would like to show you how I make my homemade mayonnaise, because that's gonna be one of our ingredients to make the tuna and potato salad. And, you know, just make it for dinner for tonight. So, I hope you enjoy the vlog. Come along. I've got some tuna. What else are you gonna put in it? Some new potatoes. I might do this with a bit of dill. Or what else? Parsley. Oh, I need to make some mayonnaise. Oh, we can do it without mayo. I'll pull this dill up so we can harvest this dill as well now. Right, shall we pull these up here? I think I'm gonna leave that. It's still looking good. Let's find it somewhere else. I'll just show you what we had in here. Small harvest. I'm going to pull this up from here. This volunteer potato. Oh, look. It's a good little harvest. Definitely give us a nice tea. It's a lovely new potato. I'm not sure what variety this is. It's quite decent size. Look. Looks like Charlotte, to be honest. And that's one of my fave. I love Charlotte with the butter. Yeah. Looking good. It's so warm today again. Really warm. It's one of my favorite, absolute favorite job. Harvesting potatoes. This looks like, that looks like last year's actually. And that's it. That's it from here. Some more there. That's how I leave behind potatoes, and that's how it gives me a volunteer the following year. What's this? Some garlic. So, yeah. Okay, let's harvest this garlic here. And use this up with it. So much garlic I've got, honestly. Right, that's good. show you what we've got so far. That's enough for today. I'm going to try to harvest what we're gonna use today for dinner. So, okay, let's go get some lettuces. Harvest. Move this now. Pull this out. I'm gonna go with this to Toffee. Toffee, you want some lettuce? How beautiful. You want some lettuce, lovey? Yeah? Give you some cabbage. You finished. You finished, Ella. Yeah, you finished the cabbage. Look at my beautiful big boy. Let's go get the kohlrabi. Just gonna pull it up. Hello. So, this is so pretty. Try to take this end off. It's so woody. Done it. Harvest 2 kohlrabi, it's enough. I'm gonna put it in our salad. That's it. Beautiful. Look! Isn't that a lovely harvest? So we've got new potatoes, kohlrabi, iceberg lettuce. Let's make the salad. I'm just gonna make mayonnaise quickly because I haven't got one. So I'm just gonna use sunflower oil. I'll probably use all this up now. Sunflower oil, 3 bantam eggs, so they are quite small eggs, they're fresh eggs. Just wash my hands. I'm just gonna put it in fridge for an hour before we make the salad. Some onion powder, salt. I made this elderflower vinegar last year. I'm just gonna put a bit of that. And I'm gonna put some mustard from the jar. What else? I think that's it. I'm just gonna go for it. The mayonnaise is done, just like that. I'm gonna put a bit of a sauerkraut fermented Perfect. This is done. Test. Divine. Right, so what I've got in here, we're going to make the salad. I've bought canned tuna and canned sweet corn. I've got kohlrabi, onion, garlic from the garden. So all this can go to this bowl. We've harvested the iceberg lettuce. from the garden. I washed it. I put it in a fridge so it's nice and cool. It's kind of like a nice temperature on this warm day in the salad. So I'm just going to cut this up and going to put this in the salad like that. I'm gonna put salt and pepper on the end because I'm not sure how much we're going to need. I've got this cheese. I've made this cheese a week ago. It was in a fridge, so now it's just a perfect consistency to cut up like that to the salad. So I'm going to put that in there as well. And then we've got the potatoes. I've boiled the potatoes. I'm just gonna a little bit just chop it up, put some butter on it and some dill. And literally half an hour ago I've just made a dill. Not dill, sorry, mayonnaise. And that's in the fridge, just still cooling. I'm gonna take that out as a last step. To put this sauce on the salad. And our dinner is ready. I think that's gonna be enough for 2 of us for dinners. Right. So I'm gonna put some. This butter is from the shop. And I'm gonna put some dill. Just chop some dill on it like that's from the garden. There we go. And again, just have a nice good mix. Mix it like that. Probably I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Not too much. Like that. My hand's clean. Okay. So now we're going to mix this butter and freshly boiled new potato, what we just dug up literally 20 minutes ago from the garden. Like that. And we are going to put it, it's still warm actually, really warm. Put it all on the salad. Keep mix it. Yummy. Just gonna put this in there. I'm gonna grab the mayonnaise and we finish this salad off. Right, Liz, you ready for your dinners, lovey? Yeah? That mayonnaise just cooled down. Just right, I think. I'm gonna put a couple of tablespoons. That's it. Give it a good mix. I'm gonna put some pepper. Just looking delicious. Most of these ingredients are fresh from the garden, homegrown. And our salad is ready. I think I might gonna put, another tuna in here. Or shall I just leave it? Let's try. Put one tin. It's ended up with loads and now it's not much tuna in there. It's delicious. I'm gonna put the other tuna in it. another tuna, and that'll be perfect. I can make probably 2 dinners or 2 lunches. I mean 4 of each. That is now perfect. All is on its way home. And we're going to have a nice salad for dinner. So, I have to tell you that it's a few days ago I've made that tuna and potato salad, but I cannot wait to make it again because it was delicious and it's gone. I think we finished it in 2 days. So, in the months coming up, especially the summer months, I am thinking of making more of one of these videos, you know, where we going out, harvest what's in the garden in season and cook whatever, you know. I do sometimes follow recipes, but most of the time I don't, so it's really hard to give out recipes because I usually just make up on that day whatever is in my pantry, freezer, you know, garden, and just make up all these lovely dishes, and most of the time it turns out quite delicious. So I was thinking, why not share it with you? So probably I'll try to do as much as possible, you know, because hopefully I'm gonna find time for a lot more of these videos to make all this delicious food. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog and see you very soon with some more delicious food. Bye, friend.